So we get the question a lot, how long does it take from when we hire a law firm before we can get papers or letters out of a court in a probate estate? And the answer is, it depends. What it depends on is the actual life of the decedent. If there were documentation or people who predeceased them that we need to find, it's going to take a little bit longer. When we first open a probate estate, the first thing we need is a death certificate. Much of the information that goes on a probate petition is going to come from the death certificate. We will also need the original will, along with the original affidavit of attesting witnesses. If the person who passed was divorced, we need a copy of the divorce decree, even if the divorce was 1,000 years ago in a different state. That actually makes it a lot harder for us. It will take extra time. So one of the things you could do if you are divorced, please put that decree somewhere where your children will find it. If the divorced person is remarried, that's no problem. Also, if there were people in their will that predeceased them, but we don't have any proof of that, obituaries are getting far more expensive to put in the paper. So more and more decedents are not getting them placed. If I can't find an obituary to find a proof of death, then I need a prayer card. If I don't have a prayer card because they didn't go to the funeral, then or didn't have a funeral, talk about things getting expensive these days, then I absolutely will need the death certificate of the person who predeceased. There has to be proof and evidence that this happened so that the court can make the decision. Now, here's why it takes so long. Give the package to the court for their consideration. The judge does not want to have a file that I take a couple of weeks to say, oh, here's my petition. Oh, now here I got the death certificate. Oh, no, here I got the divorce decree. Oh, wait, here I have the other thing. Like, they don't want that. They want a fully completed package that we hand to them for their review. So we can't even file unless and until we get all of the prerequisites checked off. So if you're wondering what's taking so long, try and ask the attorney, is there anything you need help with? Do we need a private investigator to find family? Do you have all the death certificates you need? And honestly, forward thinking, if you're looking at doing estate planning, try and find documentation of things that are going to come up, particularly if you know you are getting just a will. I'm Lauren Glenn. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney here in Cooperstown, New York, and I'm trying to help you get through this as best we can together. Please comment, put a link below, something so that we know that you're interested in this, and we'll do the best we can to give you more helpful information.